Today we're doing a highlight on our very popular Covert edition. Here we have an Oxford White XLT. Done a lot of work to this truck. Want to tell you why the Covert edition is by far our most popular package. It gives great value, it doesn't break the bank, and it gives accessories and items that people can use on an everyday basis. I've got my son Brady filming for me today, which I'm very happy and proud of. So give a little shout out to Brady behind the camera. Come this way for me, Brady. So first of all, we did a ready lift 2 1/4 inch level kit. Has the truck sitting good and level. We installed 22 by 9.5 fuel assault wheels. It's a very popular wheel for 2019. Also, we've got it wrapped with 285, 55, 22 Nitto Terra Grappler G2 all-terrain tire. This is kind of like a whiteout, a snow edition. We've done a lot of custom things to it. Amp Research powered and pullable running boards. Open the door, they fold out nice and smooth. Some WeatherTech floor mats on the inside, but the Amp Research retractable board is a great option there. Works very nicely. Brady even knows how nice those are. He's been in a truck that has that. Makes it a lot better. Coming around front, the XLT grills, they all come with a magnetic gray grill. So we don't like how that just doesn't look right. So we took it to our Akins body shop and painted the front grill white. We installed some Putco aluminum emblems front and rear to really cap off and give us a good custom look on the front. This is a beautiful truck. Come on around back, Brady. So we cleaned the lines up with the Amp Research power boards. We've got a rolling lock A-series, the powder coated aluminum bed cover. Brady can tell you about that. Works great for carrying around luggage or baseball equipment or just anything you need to keep dry, some hunting clothes. Everything can be stored right back here, nice and secure. When you hit lock on your key fob, it locks the tailgate too. There's your custom badge in the back. We have Akins sprayed bed liners, but we also offer bed mats. It's a good option. Things don't move around hardly at all. Here's our rolling lock, show you that. Slides there, locks in 3 places. Convenience and value in a beautiful package. Level the truck out, give it a good, nice, clean look, not that heavy front end look. We went with 22s on 34.8 inch tires, give you a lot more capability and just a signature Covert edition look. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate all your support.